Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change text color in Google Docs. First, select the text, then click on the A option and you will see different colors. Select any color of your choice and the text color will change. Now, if you want to add multiple colors, click on the Insert tab, then click on Drawing and select Plus New. To open the drawing dashboard, under Actions, click on Word Art, type your text and press enter. You can also change the font from here. To fill multiple colors, click on the fill color option, then click on gradient and select custom. You will see the custom gradient window. Select a color of your choice and click add. Then select the next color and click add again. You can select multiple colors like this. After selecting the colors, you can adjust the shade using the color slide bar. You can also change the angle. For example, set it to 45 degrees to change the shading angle. Then click OK and save and close. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.